shoulders the best you can. Just massage that shoulder. Good. Good morning. So this is JP's chiropractic intern. Say hi, JP.
Hey.
And since this is a time of a lot of stress, whether it be physical, emotional, chemical type of stresses, so particularly as JP is studying for the boards for chiropractic, and plus he has his patient load, so he's under a lot of tension. So typically what you're going to find is that there will be an imbalance in the nerve system, more of a, instead of a parasympathetic drive, it'll be more of a sympathetic. So and let me show you on this picture real quick. Because you have an autonomic nerve system, it's like your automatic nerve system. When you're in rest, relaxation, regeneration, it's going to be more in the parasympathetic. When your body is stressed, it's going to perceive a threat, so it's going to be in a fight or flight, and that's a sympathetic, it's like the gas pedal's down. So typically there's going to be a lot of tightness right in this area. So, and that's what we're finding with JP right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to correct this area here, and also some of the spinal bones are out of alignment here, and that'll help balance it and put it back into a parasympathetic balance, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Good. Now we're going to sit up, JP, and see if we can get this. Sure. Have a seat right here. All right. And bring your arms up, interlace real lightly here. Just let your shoulders go the best you can. Just massage that shoulder. Excellent. Let's go face down. Much better tone. It's actually calmed down quite a bit here. Not too bad here. Turn your head to the left. Not too bad. And turn your head to the right. Just let that shoulder go. Yeah. Good. So much better. It's calmed down quite a bit when we're able to do that. Now it's more of a rest, relaxation, regeneration. So he's going to be able to focus a little better on the studies and with the patients. All right. Have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you.